Welcome back. Let's shift focus now. With New Year's Eve around the corner, the Maharashtra government has issued an order allowing bars, hotels and pubs to remain open all night on the 31st of December in Mumbai. This comes after Shiv Sena Yuva Chief Aditya Thackeray wrote to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis requesting that all major cities in Maharashtra should allow hotels and entertainment establishments to remain open all night on the 31st. Sandhya is joining us at this point. Sandhya, as far as this is concerned, what more information can you give us? And of course, we do know that this is something that Aditya Thackeray has been proposing for quite some time now. The fact that there 24 hours that shops and establishments should be allowed to run.
Absolutely. This nightlife proposal was actually, it came into existence in 2013 when BMC passed this proposal. The proposal was approved by BMC. In fact, in the month of February 2015, the then then police commissioner of Mumbai, Mr. Rakesh Maria, also gave his approval to the proposal. But surprisingly, the very next month, which is March 2015, BJP, which is ruling the state along with Shiv Sena, requested Mr. Maria to withdraw his proposal. Since then, this proposal is pending with the Home Department. And when Aditya Thackeray wrote this letter, because back then also he spoke to Chief Minister, he wrote to Chief Minister about the same thing, and when on 27th of December, this time when he wrote this letter, he specifically mentioned that how this proposal is pending with the Home Department. He focused on two aspects, that how that people should have the option to celebrate New Year if they want to, and that should be 24 hours. The eateries, pubs, restaurants who have proper permissions should be open for 24 hours. And this time he did not focus only on Mumbai, but it was for Mumbai, Pune, Navi Mumbai, Thane and other cities in Maharashtra. He also said that his intention is not to disturb the local residents. He also said that if required, proper NOC should be taken for those eateries and restaurants which are located in the residential areas. The other aspect of the letter was that how he claimed that this is going to improve the job opportunities and business opportunities for the people of the state. So as of now, if we talk about this proposal of eateries and other places being open for 24 hours is yet to be cleared. But as far as this New Year celebration is concerned, Mumbaikars can go to those restaurants, eateries and pubs which have permission, and those places can remain open till 5 in the morning, and those who do not have the permission will be remain till 1:30 in the night.
All right. Thanks, Sandhya, for getting us all those details.